I'm going to give you a short demonstration here to try and explain the one-shot zero. We'll say that that is our target. Well, obviously we're going to be aiming it with the crosshair, and we're also going to be aiming it with the center, the small dot, or the small circle, I should say, at the top of the front reticle pattern. And we've got it on target. Try and get this aligned so it looks better. We've got this on target, and we shoot. But let's say that our shot ends up right there. You see that shot? You can see it? Yeah, all right, ends up right there. So what we want to do is we want to leave our crosshair on target. We want to use these knobs up here towards the front of the scope, and we're going to adjust the circles. We're not going to touch the crosshair. And we'll adjust them over, and we'll adjust them up till they're right on top of that target. Just like that, or on top of that bullet hole, just like that. And then without changing a thing, we can just ignore the target from this point on. Then we use the small turn knobs at the back of the scope, which actually adjust the crosshair, and it does not adjust the circles, but it makes it look like the circles are moving even though they're not. It's the crosshair that's moving now, and we're going to move that up and over until they both align right on top of each other. Then, if we go back here, is when we can make another shot. Now that is actually a one-shot zero. However, I know there's many of you out there that don't trust a one-shot zero because you've got a group. And so this is the time to shoot again, and if your group ends up being there, there, and there, then that's the time to make a minor adjustment and correct it. And now you're on target. So it's the quickest and easiest way to zero a scope that I'm aware of. Once you have everything zero, if you choose, you can remove the turret cap, pull it off, and replace it so that your zero lines line up with zero, which is another way to find out if your zeros actually move.